Are you ready for some more equivalent fractions? I'm sure you are. Okay, so today we are doing, instead of modeling the equivalent fractions, we're going to do some problem solving with them. So how can you use models to name equivalent fractions? And of course, you can always use your fraction strips or draw pictures to help you understand what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and read Unlock the Problem. Cole bought a submarine sandwich, or brought a submarine sandwich to the picnic. He shared the sandwich equally among 3 friends. The sandwich was cut into eighths. What are 2 ways to describe the part of the sandwich that each friend ate? Cole grouped the smaller pieces into 2s. Draw circles to show equal groups of 2 pieces to show what each friend ate. So we have 8 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each one of these is an eighth. But do we have 8 friends? No, we don't have 8 friends. He shared it with 3 friends. So he and 3 friends shared the sandwich. So how many people are sharing the sandwich, guys? He and 3 friends? You know, it always feels like it tricks us when it does this. 4 people are sharing the sandwich, not 8, but we have 8 pieces. So if we have 8 pieces and everybody gets the same amount of pieces, how many pieces are they going to get each? They're each going to get 2 pieces. So what you're going to do now is you are going to circle 2 pieces each for each friend. Okay. And now, instead of eighths, what did we make? We made fourths. Okay, so each one of them got a fourth of the sandwich, or how many eighths? 2 eighths, okay? Let's see what it says here. There are 4 equal groups. Each group is 1/4 of the whole sandwich. So each friend ate 1/4 of the whole sandwich. How many eighths did each friend eat? We just said this. We got this. How many eighths did they eat? 1, 2 eighths, right? 1/4 and blank are equivalent fractions. 1/4 and 2 eighths are equivalent fractions since they both name the blank amount of the sandwich. The same amount of the sandwich. So 1/4 and 2 eighths of the sandwich are 2 ways to describe the part of the sandwich that each friend ate. You guys are doing good with this. Equivalent fractions are fun. I like them a lot. All right, so what we're going to do is on the bottom it says, try this. Okay, so circle equal groups, write an equivalent fraction for the shaded part of the whole. So when we're looking at this, 4 eighths, what could 4 eighths be equivalent to? It looks like, I could possibly make 1 group, 2 groups. What's it called when we cut something in 2? What do we make? We make halves. So 4 eighths is the same as 1. Now, did you have to do halves? No, you could have done quarters, right? Because we could have made quarters as well. We cut it into 4 equal parts. It could equal 2 fourths, right? There's always a couple of answers to equivalent fractions. And don't let that trip you up. If you find an answer and it makes sense, you got the right answer, okay? All right, so the next page is we are going to do another example. And it says, Heidi ate 3/6 of a fruit bar. Molly ate 4 eighths of her fruit bar, which is the same size. Which girl ate more of her fruit size? So they didn't eat the same amount, but we're going to go ahead and look at it. Maybe they did. So we need to go ahead and fill in each one of these. And I'm actually going to start by circling the important information and underlining the name so I know who I'm talking about. So Heidi ate 3 6, 1, 2, 3, and Molly ate 4 eighths, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is 3 6 up here greater than 3 eighths? No. Is 4 eighths greater than 3 6? No. They are what? Equal or equivalent or the same. So here we're going to write equal. So both girls ate the same amount. Now, that wasn't a surprise because what are we working on today? Equivalent fractions. So of course they're going to do a word problem where they're equal. Now, I believe you guys can do the rest of this on your own. Yeah, you got it. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thirds. And this one's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6. Okay. And then down here, you're just going to shade them in to make sure they are equivalent. You guys have a good rest of your day.